You've been running the smaller boat long enough to know exactly what you're missing. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts. Let me show you why the Pursuit S358 might be the one you've been looking for. Picture a Saturday morning, pre-dawn. Lines in the water 35 miles out, twin Yamahas barely above idle while you watch the spread. By noon, the mezzanine seats are out, the grill's on, and the bow table is up, and the family you brought along has no idea you were fishing this morning. The S358 is built for that life, 37 feet of cockpit that reconfigures from fishing machine to floating living room in under 5 minutes. The kind of boat where your spouse stops asking if you need to go back in because she's comfortable. There's a real head, a berth for the afternoon nap, and a grill that actually cooks. Twin 450s get you 40 miles offshore before sunrise. The 343-gallon tank keeps you out there as long as you want. And when the wind builds in the afternoon, the 22-degree dead-rise hull cuts through it, dry and controlled, all the way home. This is what it looks like when you stop choosing between the boat you want to fish and the boat your family wants to spend the weekend on. The S358 closes that gap. The S358, built for the days that start with rod holders and end with sunset dinners. Full specs at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony. See you on the water.